Hey, Amanda, guess what? Chicken butt. Bah, bah. Why are you always picking on Amanda? Because I can. You know what I just don't understand, Amanda? Why you suck so bad? Why you sucking so badly? Where's my propane? Where is my propane?
You know,
money.
Where's my money?
I like Steele's idea about making Mr. Pickles have a steel
muzzle?
jaw, but like, you know, let's just hinge it shut.
When I was living in Idaho, my neighbors brought over some good old-fashioned shining from the mountains. Ooh, doggy, did it put hair on your chest. But good God gracious, it was delicious.
Especially if you soak some cherries or something in it. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this was like an apple or something. Cinnamon apple.
Cinnamon twist, oh yeah. That's
apple pie. That's what it was, like an apple pie.
apple pie, yes.
I used to work.